from the Canada team.
Awesome. So you really know about shooting in competition.
Yeah, you're going to hold it in your left hand.
Okay.
Basically, you want your knuckles to sort of be at about a 45-degree angle, which basically means don't end string pulling. Okay, so one finger on top, two on the bottom. When you pull it back, you're going to pull it back so that your pointer finger's in the corner of your mouth. Notice that my arm is bent slightly at the elbow, and my shoulder is down and hold. A lot of people do this with the arrow at the yellow. That one hits your arm a little bit.
Oh my god, I think it hit my boob.
Oh.
Okay. And then this goes back to here.
Yeah, corner of the mouth, and roll that arm a little bit more if you can. That's much better.
I didn't. Oh, is that right? Yeah. That's interesting. Yeah. So must be doing it early.
Well, it looked to me like it was